Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
How are you, Samaira?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yes, Samaira. Hi, Jarmin. Hi, Samaira.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, kindly keep your cameras on.
Yes, ma'am. My camera is started.
Yeah,
Ma'am, what will we make today?
we are going to do the drawing
What
of
are we?
patterns today.
Ma'am, what we will need for that?
I have already sent the message, my dear. Your art sheet or your drawing book, your oil pastel crayon, and regular stationery, and your black sketch pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Give me a moment. Okay, my dear kids. So, do we start our drawing? I have kept my mobile in such a way that you will be able to see my paper. Are you both able to see the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
should
So,
we?
you have to keep your paper standing in a portrait position, vertical position.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Now, whenever I am teaching you to draw, I will be always drawing upside down. Okay, reverse drawing. You have to just copy as it is. Okay, you have to just copy as it is. So I will be drawing a reverse drawing which you have to copy as it is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So exactly in the middle of the paper, exactly in the middle of the paper, just draw zigzag lines like this. Again, I am saying you have to copy as it is. I am drawing a reverse drawing. Okay?
Ma'am, there are some network issues, and in this device I couldn't do it, so I'm joining from another device.
Okay, no problem,
Just
Samaira.
give me a minute.
Kindly draw this zigzag line exactly in the middle of your paper. Done this much?
Actually, my camera was not starting, so that is why I restarted.
So now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to keep our paper vertical. Okay, standing position. Just in the middle, draw zigzag lines. And remember, whenever I am drawing on the paper, I will be drawing upside down, a reverse drawing. So it is easy for you to copy as it is. Okay? You
Okay.
have to copy as it is. So in my paper, my top is this and my bottom is this. Okay? Is that clear?
Ma'am, like this?
Yes. Yes. So now as this is the drawing
Ma'am,
of shapes and patterns. Yes, my dear. As this is the drawing of shapes and patterns, we are going to include several shapes in our drawing. Okay? So now just draw a oval over here. Oval shape. Draw a oval shape. Here this is top. This is top. Okay? So at the top you have to draw a oval shape.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the zigzag, I have made it little bit upper.
Exactly in the middle it is.
Ma'am, like this. I have done it over here.
Yeah, take it a little down. And remember, you have to draw in pencil. I will give you time to sketch it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, just a second. Give me a second. That, ma'am.
After this, you have to draw a pot type of shape. How? Just a curve. Just a curve. Okay, give a big curve like this. A pot type shape.
Okay, ma'am.
So first draw a oval, then just below that draw a pot type curve. I am drawing in sketch pen, you have to draw in pencil. Okay, now,
Ma'am, is this fine?
yes, absolutely fine. Draw a cone over here like this. Cone. See, only one slanting line and the other slanting line. So this portion you get a cone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, who is Ashita Mohta?
She is a student. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, just draw slanting line like this from the middle. Keep it a bit curvy and curve it and join like this. Curve it and join like this. So first draw a slanting line from the middle. Curve it and join like this. Again, this center line, this slanting line should be the base. Again, a small curve and join like this. A small curve and join like this.
Ma'am, please say.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this fine?
Yes. Now again, same thing from here, but as we have taken absolutely slighting towards the corner, so the entire thing won't be coming. So what we will be doing, just take this line, again the slanting line, take the curve, okay? Take the curve and just till the end of the paper, just curve it. Okay? Same manner, this curve will come. This curve will come. So like this, and then curve it. Like this, and then curve it.
Ma'am, how is this?
Yes, this is proper. Hi, Amira. Good evening. Okay, just a recap for you, Amira. Take your paper standing, vertical position, exactly in the middle. Draw the zigzag line. Jermaine, you have to be on mute.
What, ma'am?
Be on mute, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we have drawn up till here, right? Take two curved lines and curve it like this. This curve it like this. Opposite curve line. Okay? Opposite curve line. Done, Samira?
Done, ma'am.
Now, just draw two round like this. Small round. A small oval. And a curve showing the smile. A curve showing the smile. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And here, draw again a cone type shape like this. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here a curve and here a curve. So there are two curves inside. One at the top, another one just below the heart.
Now please see.
Take anything circular now. Take anything which is circular. Like the bottle cap. Like the bottle cap. And sun you have to draw in this way. As if the sun, just a second, I will show you, then you draw. See, the sun is also here inside the wings, behind the wings, okay? Just draw like this. So that behind part we don't need to draw.
Now please see.
Please what?
Now please see.
Yes. Yes.
And now can I sketch it?
No, no, my dear, no. Now just draw small zigzag lines over here to show the sun rays. Small zigzag lines to show the sun rays. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Small zigzag lines to show the sun rays. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Again on this part we have to draw, my dear. Then we will sketch it. So after doing this, you can draw your clouds also this way. Huh? You can draw the clouds also, one this way I am drawing, one at the top of the paper. Okay? And here down, again, one small oval this way.
I can't draw it.
What you can't draw? What you can't draw?
I can't draw the zigzag line.
Why?
Line.
See, it is zigzag only. Why you can't draw it? You have to just take your pencil and draw zigzag.
I'm done.
Now please see.
Yes. Yes, Amira. So here it is one small oval. Here it is one big oval. Okay. So one small oval, one big oval. Two flowers are going to come here down. Okay. So the place where you have small ovals, just curved line, again curved line to join. Again here curved line to join. Okay? Curved line to join. curved line to join. Curved line, again a curved line to join. Curved line, again a curved line to join. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Same will go with the big flower. Curved line to join. Curved line to join.
वाह
बस इतना ही हो रहा है.
काय करू रहा है
Curved line to join.
ये देखो.
Okay? Same manner, both the flowers are to be done. Curved line to join. Curved line to join. Curved line to join. Curved line to join. Curved line to join.
Ma'am, is this fine?
Just a second, my dear. Let me see. Yes. Yes. Now take two curved lines down like this. Take two curved lines down. Here also take two curved lines down and draw leaf. Draw leaf. Two leaves. Okay, I have drawn one big, one small. You can draw either of the same size or same like me. Okay? Yes, we have done our drawing part. You can sketch with the black sketch pen. Okay? Yes. Amira, say me, what are you not understanding, beta? Amira, I will explain you. Say me.
And now I am understanding. I'm done drawing.
See, take a paper in a standing position. Okay?
I've drawn it already.
Okay, you have drawn it already. Very good. Yes. This butterfly, have you drawn this butterfly?
But I can't draw it. It's so hard.
I will explain you. See, draw a oval shape first. First, draw a oval shape. This oval shape. Draw this oval shape. Yes. Then draw a pot type of shape. A pot type of curved 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 shape. Yes. Then take the center slanting line and curve it. Take the center slanting line and curve it. Take the center slanting line and curve it. Samira and Jalmin, kindly sketch it through the black sketch pen. Huh?
Ma'am, but I don't have some black sketch pen.
My dear girl, first you have to draw it. Amira, there is another girl named Samira. So you both are rhyming in words. So I am saying to her, you have to first draw it. Okay, bacha? I am teaching you first how to draw. Okay, bacha? Now,
Excuse me,
after this, okay, just draw another curve and join here. Just draw another curve and here.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can we sketch now?
Yes, I have told you to sketch with black sketch pen.
Okay.
Okay. Same manner, Amira. Same, like this wing, we have to draw the wings over here. Take the line from the middle and curve it. Take the line from the middle. Take the line from the middle and curve it.
Okay.
Yes. Another side also. And same, take a curved line down. Take a curved line down.
Ma'am, I'm done drawing.
Yes. Now take a bottle top. Take a bottle top. Keep it this way. Keep it this way and draw the circle. Now don't draw the full circle because this much part will hide behind the wing. Okay? Just draw a circle. Then again zigzag to draw the sun rays. And draw clouds this side. This side, draw the clouds. Okay, clouds are curvy patterns. Curve, curve. Okay. Now draw two circles to show the eyes of the butterfly. One oval to show the nose of the butterfly. And one curve to show the smile of the butterfly. Okay. Flowers you have already drawn. Now my dear kids, take out your colors. To the sun.
Colored peach color in butterfly's face.
I am going to say you the colors. Those colors you will do. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now medium yellow. Medium yellow. Color number 256. Color number 256 is medium yellow. Color the sun as medium yellow. Color the sun as medium yellow. Color number 256. Color number 256. Medium yellow. Color the sun as medium yellow. Also the sun rays. Also the sun rays. Also the sun rays. Medium yellow, color number 256.
I am coloring the sun rays with
No,
orange color.
no, it should be yellow color.
But I colored it orange now.
Why did I say you orange? Did I say you? Just repeat what am I doing? And if you want to practice, you can do as a homework also. In that you can use your colors. Okay? Okay, my dear. Now take violet color. Violet color, colors number is 451. 451. With the help of the violet color, do the wings of the butterfly. Do the wings of the butterfly.
Ma'am,
Okay?
Ma'am, if the boat should we color violet in both the wings?
No, one wing. See, I am coloring one wing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. This one wing is violet. Then take rose pink color. Rose pink color. Color number 380. 380. Which will be there in the small wing of butterfly. In the small wing. Okay? So this side also same. Rose pink color. Color number 380 should be there this side of the butterfly, and color violet, which is 451, should be there on the bigger wing. Okay, my kids, listen to me. Whenever you are coloring, first you have to do the outline of the drawing. First you have to do the outline of the drawing while coloring. Now, as this is not a shadow drawing, so we are coloring it prominently with our normal colors. So we have to color with dark pressure. Also, if there are oil pastel, the easiest method to color is just moving round and round. Just moving round and round.
Ma'am, what is the color for the last wing?
Ma'am, is this fine?
Yes, it is fine. Very much fine. Yes. Now, this last cone type of shape which we have. This last cone type of shape which we have made. Just a second. I got a call. Just a second. Yes. This last cone type of shape what we have made should be in light pink. So the color number is 341. 341. Pink color. Okay. Now the body of the butterfly. The body of the butterfly. Again, we are giving the combination of pink color, okay, we are giving the combination of pink color and lemon yellow color. Lemon yellow color. Lemon yellow, the number is 236. Who is this? Kindly mute yourself. Lemon yellow, the color number is 2, 3, 6. Okay. So the bigger part is lemon yellow color. The number is 236. Again, the the remaining down part to be done with violet color. To be done with violet color. Again, I'll repeat the number of the violet color. Give me a minute. Violet color, the number is 451. The number of the violet color is 451. Okay. Now, we are going to do the face of the butterfly, to which you all can do one thing. Just put the oval and the round which I taught of the eyes and nose, do it black. Okay, so you can do with the help of the sketch pen, no problem. And this part also, the cone part also, do it black. Okay. Now the remaining part, again, lemon yellow color. Lemon yellow, number 236. Lemon yellow color. Okay. Okay, so our butterfly is done. Above sky, we are going to do light blue color. Above sky, we are going to do light blue color. Color number 239. Clouds, leave it blank. Okay, clouds, leave it blank. We are going to do the sky. So first, kindly give the outline to the zigzag pattern what we did exactly in the middle. Okay, remember my kids, for coloring or the drawing, you don't have to move yourself one place to another. Instead, you can rotate your drawing book or your drawing paper. Okay. Understanding, my dear kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Again, do the outlining first of all the things that are hurtling in between, that are in between, like the butterfly, the cloud, the sun. Do the outline first, so that our color is not going to spoil our color which we have done already inside. Again, I repeat, you don't have to move yourself. Just rotate your drawing book or your paper, whatever you are doing in. Ritvik, are you understanding? Where were you? Since a long time, why did you join late? So do the zigzag pattern first of the rays also. First cover it with the outlining so that your color will not go inside the sun. Whenever we are coloring, see to it every minute thing also. We do it so well that it comes very neatly. Color first all the outlining parts. Then the inside filling also will become easy when you do the outlining part first. Now start once you are done with the outlining part. You can start coloring inside. Again, the circular pattern which I taught you. If you do in that manner, it will be coming very good. It will be coming very good. Okay. Fill the sky with the blue color. Where do you stay, Samaira?
Ma'am, I stay in Delhi.
Okay.
And you?
I am in Thane. It is near Mumbai and Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you, Jermaine?
What, ma'am?
Where do you stay?
I came from India, ma'am.
We all are from India, my dear. Which part of India?
I don't know, ma'am.
Where do you say you don't know that?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done the coloring? Blue color? Fill
No,
the sky?
no, ma'am.
Samaira?
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Now down part we have to do. Orange color. Color number 283. 283 in the big oval. In the big oval. And lemon yellow again 236 in the small oval of the flower. Violet color, color number 451, where we have done the yellow oval. Okay, there we are going to do violet flower. Pink color, color number 341, where we have done the orange color to the oval.
Ma'am, what's the number of the pink color?
Of which color, my dear?
Pink.
Pink color, the number is 341. Color number 341.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Now comes deep green. Deep green, color number 108, is the stem and the leaves of the flower. Both stem and the leaves of the flower is deep green color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Should we do it both the flowers?
Yes, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Again, deep green and in the stem and in the leaf of another flower also.
Ma'am, what is the number of the this? What is it? Yeah, the number of the leaf green color.
Deep green color, the number is 108. Now it is number 240, light green, through which the entire background will be there. Light green color. So in the same manner, just please be on mute. First do the outline.
Ma'am, number of the light green color.
Light green color, the number is, my dear, 240.
Ma'am, what is the number of dark blue color?
There I have used dark blue, we haven't used anywhere.
Then
Which you need sky, light blue color for the sky. It is 239. 239. Just do the zigzag pattern first. The entire outline of the flowers. And then continue to color. So the entire background is to be done by light green color. So this is the way that your drawing will look like. Okay, my dear kids. Will you be drawing and sending me the pictures?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Bye, my dear kids. If you want, you can take the screenshot right now. Otherwise, I'll be sending you the picture.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Wow, Samaira, very good. Very good, Samaira.
Bye, ma'am.
Did you like it, Samaira?
Yes, ma'am, very much.
Very good. Samaira, you are in which grade?
Ma'am, I'm in 6th.
6th grade. Okay.
But I love to draw and do craft. And even today I made a scrapbook. I don't know.
Okay. Very good.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.